Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve the issue if the EA application is not working properly. So let's get started right away. If you're trying to use the EA application but you notice various different errors that doesn't allow you to use the application very well, then the first thing that you will need to check is to see if you are connected to the internet or not. So open up any other application or your web browser and see if your internet connection is working. If your internet is working just fine, then the next step is to see if your application is updated to the latest version. From the application homepage, hover over to your account icon at the top right corner and then click on Settings. From the Settings page, click on the Download menu and then scroll down and you will find the Update section. Click on the Update Automatically option and this will make sure that all of the latest updates are installed within your game automatically. Now try restarting the application after this by going into the menu icon at the top left corner and then hovering over to Help, and from the Help menu click on Restart App. This will now restart the application, and once the application has restarted, you will once again be taken to the home page. Now even after you complete this step, the application is still not working properly, then the last thing that you will need to do is to clear the application cache. Tap on the menu icon at the top left corner once again and hover over to Help. From the Help menu, click on App Recovery and you will find the Clear Cache button. Before clicking on Clear Cache, you will need to know that this process will also clear your login credentials. So once this process is completed, the application will restart and you will need to log back into your account once again. But after you log in, the EA app will be running smoothly and all of the issues will be fixed. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to fix the EA application if it is not working as it's supposed to. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.